Here's where you can go to change the app icon style as well as the size of the app icons. This is for OnePlus phones with Android 15, Oxygen OS 15. The fastest way to these settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen until this happens. You'll then see where it says icons right there. So go ahead and tap on icons and this will take you to this section here. If for some odd reason you don't see it in this part here, you can always go into the quick access, go to settings, and once there, go to where it says wallpaper and style right here. And when you're here now in this part here, go down, you'll look for icons and you'll enter here and you'll get the options as well. So with all that said and done now, you can choose from the different styles. So let's get a little closer here. You got Radiance as one of the new options and you have Shadow as another new option here. Then you got Material and the old school Pebble as well. And if you had another launcher or whatnot, you got some more options here. You got the custom one, which will allow you to choose a different silhouette for it and make the corners round and the icon size and a few more other options, okay? So let's just say I decided to go with Radiance. Then right here where it says icon, right there, this is gonna be the size slider. As I adjust this, that's gonna change the size of it. You also have it to be enabled for third-party apps, like apps not from the Play Store, and also showing the name of the app icon on and off. Notice when it's off, there's no name. And then you also have the ability to change the size of the words or the text for that name of the app. And then of course, be sure to press apply so that it can take effect. And that will be it, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, if this got help, don't forget to like and sub.